What's your favorite type of pizza? This shrimp scampi pizza I made was one of my favorite pizzas I ever had, and you can make it at your house real easy. To make it real easy, I bought some pre-made dough from Publix already rolled out, stretched it out a little bit, placed it on a little pan, and I pre-baked that thing on 400 for like 5 minutes. Get some peeled and deveined shrimp, season that thing to your liking, mix that up, and then you start on your sauce. Use some olive oil and some butter, throw some garlic in there, mix that up till it get fragrant, throw some shallots in there, mix that up till it get fragrant. Put your lemon juice in there, some red pepper flakes or some heat, some chopped Italian parsley, and put some cooking white wine or regular white wine. Let that reduce into a nice sauce. Throw in your shrimp, mix it up. I usually don't let my shrimp overcrowd, but this gonna cook some more in the oven. Let that cook for a little bit. Remove your shrimp with a slided spoon, leave that nice seasoned sauce in there. I put a little chicken stock in it to add a little bit more. This is your sauce for your pizza. Put it all over the pizza, spread it out, some nice garlicky lemony sauce. Put some Italian cheese on there to your heart's desire, whatever you want, no measurements. And then place your shrimp on the pizza. Make sure they evenly distribute. Then you're going to put some more of that fresh Italian parsley, a little bit more of that sauce, and then some Italian seasoning on top of it. Place it in the oven for 13 to 15 more minutes. It's up to you how dark you like your pizza, but just watch it. And then you take it out. You get this garlicky, lemony, seasoned pizza. It's so crispy on the bottom, cheesy. This was one of the best pizzas I ever had. I had to take a bite, and listen, when I start dancing when I'm eating, you know it's good. Make this recipe, y'all.